दिल देना तो किसी एक को देना, मोहित साहब दिल देना तो किसी एक को देना, और वो भी किसी नेक बंदे को देना.
Welcome to the golden city of Jaisalmer, where history, culture, and nature comes together in a breathtaking blend. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey through the vibrant villages and mystical deserts of this enchanting region. So, get ready to experience the heart of Rajasthan. This is Jaisalmer. Our journey begins with a warm welcome from Trotters Tour and Travels, a name synonymous with excellence since 1991.
ये लगन भैया जी कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो हमें आज?
एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा,
3 अपने क्लाइंट आ रहे हैं, उनको पिकअप है।
ओके,
लेके वापस आएंगे।
चलेंगे फिर?
हाँ, फिर चलेंगे विलेज टूर। हाँ, अपने समझो का विलेज टूर रहेगा पूरा दिन। रात को अपने गांव में रुकेंगे।
अच्छा जी,
छाछ वगैरह पियेंगे, देसी खाना खिलाएंगे, वहीं अपने देसी जुगाड़ से सो जाएंगे।
बहुत बढ़िया जी। एक बात कहनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन जो आपका साफा है ना भाई साहब, माशाल्लाह क्या चमक रहा है। हाँ जी,
शुक्रिया भैया आपका, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने इतना अच्छा तारीफ किया।
This adventure officially kicks off as we head to Jaisalmer Airport to welcome our clients. We have arrived at Jaisalmer Airport, the gateway to this enchanting desert city. Here our dedicated tour guide eagerly awaits to welcome our guests with a warm smile and a heartfelt greeting.
right now.
Now we are going village, so walk around in village. After that we will going another village.
Okay.
So today all are the village tour.
Our first destination is into the heart of remote villages untouched by time. Here we will witness the simplicity of rural life.
हाँ जी, ये देख, आपका क्या नाम है? अमीरा। और आपका? जबरियो। और आपका? नैना। और आपका? होडिया। और आपका नाम? खुशबू। ओके, आपका नाम? 1 मिनट। हाँ? तरुण। ओके, और इनका नाम? व्हाट्स योर नेम? आपका नाम क्या है? निंकी। मंजू। हेलो मंजू। गोरा आया? गोरे वो है, मैं गोरा नहीं हूँ। तो अभी विलेज में आए। ये कौन सा विलेज है वैसे? काला विलेज। ये काला विलेज है।
Problem with the people, but when the people are put here like solar planted, so solar plant they make the heat, you know.
Oh, the solar panel.
They make you heat. So whose ladies is like pregnant, the bad for kids, you know.
Yeah.
Bad for baby, or because they make the heat.
Right.
So some the kids will born like somebody have problem like eye problem, leg problem. Yeah.
On our way to the villages, our knowledgeable tour guide brings the journey to the life with fascinating insights. From the unique agriculture practices to the desert landscape to the traditional crafts and daily life of the villagers, every detail paints a vivid picture of this rich culture. Our trusty 4x4 Jeep takes us deeper into the rugged landscapes. The excitement in the air is undeniable, with the promise of new discoveries just ahead.
तो ये है दोस्तों विलेज खडेरा की ढाणी.
As we step into this charming little village, we are transported to a world where time seems to slow down. The simplicity of life here is both humbling and beautiful.
It's photogenic.
This village is a true reflection of Rajasthan's heart and soul.
बस इतना सा गांव है, तभी इसको छोटे से गांव को ढाणी बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज खडेरा की ढाणी. और ये क्यूट सा बेबी हमें देख रहा है. ये क्या है भाई, इसमें क्या है? खाली तो है यार, क्या कर रहे हो इसमें? हिंदी आती है आपको? नहीं आती? आपका नाम क्या है? दुर्गा. अच्छा, कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो दुर्गा? फर्स्ट में? पहली में? फर्स्ट क्लास में अभी दुर्गा.
Now we have arrived at a traditional mud house where a family lives and breathes the essence of pure Rajasthani culture. We are invited to taste a refreshing glass of traditional buttermilk, a staple in Rajasthani hospitality.
This is buttermilk.
Yogurt, or yogurt, curd lassi. Do you want?
Yummy.
She's making
You should try.
Life between from city and village.
आपका नाम क्या है?
So we have totally different. Because if
भरत.
you are
और
going
आपका?
in the city people,
श्रवण.
so
भरत और
nobody
श्रवण.
offer you chai या food.
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो आप? भरत.
Nobody.
दोनों फिफ्थ
You
में.
can, you don't know anybody.
अच्छा.
You go because like welcome.
इनका भी नाम रखते हो आप?
Like
इनका नाम रखते हो आप?
village people.
इसका नाम क्या रखा है?
इसका नाम है
शेर. ओ, छेड़ती है.
Going happily. And the city people, they want to be trying always.
बड़ी क्यूट है ना, बहुत प्यारी है.
That is plaster is from cow tank.
Yeah.
Sand and water all mixed and then make plaster. Actually, yeah, also both sides because it's summer time is very hot, like 48 degree, 50 degree.
At what month?
June and July,
मई जून जुलाई.
May, June, July. That time is too hot, like 48 degree, 50 degree. So that time is small kids or something. They can walk without shoes. It's like this grounds. They don't burn your feet.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, because cement is little bit expensive, and also in summertime
It gets too hot.
too hot. Then they can both you make heat.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why the people don't use like cement or something.
No.
Everybody, every house you can see everywhere. One house is like a new design. One house is like mud houses because daytime the people want to be rest inside. You know, they don't want to use Mostly village people that don't use like cooler or AC, like fan. They don't like. They like these houses. They can stay in the daytime inside. They can rest. Please come inside. Bind your heads and come inside. No problem.
वाह,
चलो चलो.
इसमें क्या है?
इसमें दूध दही
अच्छा अच्छा
छाछ
अच्छा,
जो भी होते हैं वो बाहर रखते हैं.
ठीक है.
Do they all live? Do they all sleep in here?
Yeah. But actually, no, everybody can sleep. Like 1% they can sleep here, 1% outside. But mostly we are sleeping no inside. We can sleep and like outside.
Oh, okay.
Because inside we don't want to be sleep because outside is much better. So it's coming like fresh air.
Yeah.
The people want to be sleep like fresh air. You know?
Yeah.
तो ये हीटर नहीं होता, ये तो वो ना लोहे का है ये तो.
नहीं लोहे का नहीं है. That one is from like fiberglass sand. Oh yes, not like silver one.
ओके.
But actually, mostly the people use like mud. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
We have some things, small things. It's long time ago. They all our people use like less the chapati, vegetable. You have yogurt, like lot of milk or something. Then you can put inside.
It's a kind of
like
cold
a
storage. Yeah.
Like a fridge.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Does it feel
Actually, yeah. It's a long, not like that, but they can this hole, the coming air, they don't going. क्या बोलते हैं?
Maintaining the temperature actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But now is coming, everything is technology.
Electric. Yeah.
So then people use like this one, you know.
Yeah.
So in so much heat, milk will spoil immediately.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Within half an hour. But by this medium, they can store it for a longer time.
There's a vape.
Pipe?
Vape.
Smoke, yeah.
I don't know.
It's a vape.
We sell a lot at home.
Like this,
Yeah.
Google. But actually, for our different culture or different like that, we do like this. But like sister-in-law,
ये इतना aggressive क्यों हो रहा है ये बताओ.
we are
ऐसे ही.
like one village.
ये सोच रहा है कि खाने की.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. Okay okay.
And does everyone here live in this house?
Yeah. One this and one is
इंग्लिश में क्या लिखा?
मैरीगोल्ड.
share each other.
मैरीगोल्ड लिखा, गेंदे का फूल, गेंदा, मैरीगोल्ड.
Okay, yeah.
Small goat or sheep.
So will they use the milk from the goats?
Yeah, milk and they can like somebody have like sheep. They can selling the wools. They
Yeah.
cutting wools and sell and market. And but many people they use like selling the butter or milk, you know.
Yeah.
And some goat, man goats, they can selling and market. The people can
The meat, yeah.
for meat.
Yeah.
The owl.
Are we okay? Am I okay to take a photo?
Do it, no problem.
Thank you.
Parrot. Parrot.
Urine.
पैरट. पैरट.
Urine.
Queen. Queen.
Roger.
We have a queen in England. Rose. Ship. Top.
That's really clever then.
T for top. And an umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
In the monsoon.
आपका क्या नाम था?
गिरधर.
गिरधर. बैठ जाओ आराम से बैठ जाओ ना. या बैठते नहीं यहाँ पे. मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आता है यहाँ मिट्टी में बैठने का, है ना. मिट्टी की खुशबू बड़ी अच्छी लगती है ना. कितने साल के हो गिरधर?
लगभग 10 साल.
10 साल का.
Yes.
कौन डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है आपकी? मतलब कि 2014 में हुए थे.
हाँ.
और बर्थडे कब आता है आपका?
बर्थडे आ जाता है.
केक कब कटते हैं, कब मिठाइयाँ कब खाते हैं, मतलब
वो मुझे पता है. थोड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा.
याद नहीं आ रहा. याद करो.
Our amazing tour guide gifted me a traditional Rajasthani turban. Now this adventure takes an exciting turn as we head towards the iconic sand dunes.
Half an hour by camels, you can walk on the dunes. After sunset, we can come back on my village. So we stay in 800-year-old houses.
The tourists are going for a unique experience as they embark on a camel ride through the vast desert. And I am going on a thrilling jeep ride conquering the mighty sand dunes. The guests are greeted with the soulful sounds of Rajasthani folk music.
साधना आया है सखी में कोई करो मनवार खान भरो गज मोतिया के परनेन धरा दिल देना तो किसी एक को देना रोहित साहब मोहित साहब दिल देना तो किसी एक को देना और वो भी किसी नेक बंदे को देना
आपको दे दिया हमने दिल
ये मंदिर की प्रसाद नहीं है जो सभी को बांट के
क्या
देना।
बात है क्या बात
स्टेज भी मेहंदी रंग देती है रे सूख जाने के बाद स्टेज मेहंदी रंग देती है रे सूख जाने के बाद दोस्ती याद आती है बिछड़ जाने के बाद ओ अरे रे 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 ए कालो मयूर गयो मेरा में करियो मयूर गयो
With hearts full of unforgettable memories and a deeper connection to the desert and its people, we now make our way back to the village. If you have not visited the Jaisalmer, you have not seen the Rajasthan. Join us.